You're welcome to Tolia's Tutorials, where we teach you various softwares ranging from Microsoft Word to other softwares like CorelDRAW, Photoshops, and more. Today I'll be teaching you how to insert picture and how to make it decent in your document. You discover that there are many documents that pictures are being inserted, and then when you see the document and you see the pictures in the document, they are not well, they are not decent, they are not decent, so to say. Let me put it that way. They are not decent, and I'm going to be showing you in this lesson how to make that in picture you insert decent. And the process of inserting the picture is you go to insert. On clicking insert, then you click pictures. On clicking pictures, then it takes you to your file system whereby you access the picture you want to use. Don't forget that this is only a template. I'm only using this as an example to guide you. Okay, let me use this pics. Let me use this picture, and let's see what I'm trying to say. Can you now see? Can you now see what it brought out? Okay, if you want to resize this picture, you drag from down here. You won't drag from underneath. You drag from. So can you see now? You can move the picture all about, but you can't move it up. If you want to remove that, can you see the cursor? You right click. On right clicking, you go to wrap text. On clicking wrap text, then you go to scale. Then that means you can move it up. You can even move it up wherever you want to move it to. So can you see the picture there? So if you want to make this picture as you are seeing it like this, does it even look mature? It doesn't look that mature, but there is one thing I will put now that will make it more decent, and which is the first thing you need to do is highlight the picture. Then you can use the format. You go to format, and then you go to the picture border. Then you select any color that you want to use for the border. Can you now see? Does that make sense? It gives it enhance the view a little bit, and it makes it more decent. So that is how to go about it, and I hope you've been able to learn one thing or the other in this particular lesson, where we talked about how to make pictures in your document to look more decent. I want to thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Please subscribe to our channel, Tolia's Tutorials, like our videos, and subscribe to this channel so that you'll be updated on new videos we upload. We appreciate you for being there. I will see you in the next video. Thank you, and bye bye.